Now we have Apache Pig downloaded and installed on our machine. In this lesson, let's configure it. Okay, so let's open the terminal. First thing is you need these three variables. Okay, and they should be set as shown here. So we'll go to .bash rc or .bash profile file. Okay, and under pig, you can see BigHOME, pig options, and class path. They are set as shown here. You can just copy paste them. Also, we need to set the path variable. Okay, and that will be set as this. Okay, in path variable, we need to add the BigHOME bin directory so that we can directly invoke pig script without specifying the entire path. All right. Once you have set this up, you can source your bash file. Okay. All right. So in my case, it is bash underscore profile. You may have bash rc. Either one of these files should work. Okay. And we can see the version. We can validate our installation by running this command. Okay. Okay. So as you can see, it has provided us the version which we installed. Okay. And this is the date when this version was distributed by Apache. Alright, so it all looks good. So we are ready to move on to the next lesson. I'll see you in the next class.